Welcome to the unboxing of the cheapest laptop I could actually find, okay? So now, this is like some random ass Asus laptop that I found at a computer shop, okay? It was like 250 bucks, but we're gonna start by breaking it open, okay? And looking at what's inside, you know? Because I have doubts that this shit really has a laptop in it, okay? Thank the Lord that we have a laptop. That is an accomplishment, okay? So we're gonna put this abomination to the side, okay? And we're gonna look at this compartment. What does it have? It's basically empty, okay? But it does have a power brick. I can see that, okay? The power brick, it seems pretty decent. Now we're gonna go take a peek into the other compartment, and it has a bunch of shitty ass manuals that nobody's gonna read. So we're gonna just put that to the side and look at the laptop itself, you know? How does the laptop look? Well, the laptop, it looks like a laptop. I don't know what to tell you, okay? It looks like a laptop. You can see it yourself. The screen, it feels like pretty flimsy. Like, you know how a MacBook screen like opens up pretty nicely, you know? Even if you go to the Apple store, you can just like test it out. This shit, it feels like I'm gonna rip the screen apart, okay? Like the keyboard, the keys, they're just way too spread out. It is an Intel Core i3, but yeah. The airflow, they just wanted to keep it at a minimum, okay? And the I/O stuff is crazy. Like, they got like 3 USB ports, an HDMI port, some random ass port that I don't know the name of. So now we're gonna boot it up. We're gonna wait like 30 minutes for it to like boot up, you know? At first I was having doubts it's gonna boot up at all, but it did. And yeah, I'm gonna fast forward this part, or else the whole video is gonna be me fucking booting this laptop. So now I did decide to do some Type Monkey to test out the freaking keyboard, and I'll tell you, this keyboard is not good, man. It is not good, okay? Like, I was typing extra slow because like these keys, they have like a whole kilometer between each key, right? So my hands, they have to like spread out, okay? Like, it is not comfortable typing on this freaking keyboard, man. I'll tell you, yeah. And you know, we have to hit it with some gaming, okay? We have to do some gaming on this laptop. Test its benchmarks, test out to that max. So once we load it up in some Valorant, right? Because I didn't know what other game to download. Like, ain't nobody's ass trying to download Fortnite anymore. But yeah, so I downloaded this, right? Just to test it out, you know, what's going on. At first, it's all smooth running, you know. I'm on low settings, normal settings, and smooth running. Until I shoot the first damn bullet. That's where the game freezes, bro. If you want to play games, if you want to buy this laptop for games, I suggest you don't. Because like, you shoot one bullet and boom, your entire game's done. That's basically it, bro. Now, should you get this laptop? I would say, sure, if you can afford. It's not a bad laptop, okay? I would just say it's not a bad laptop. It's good if you're on a budget. If you just need to do some work, you know, school work, take down notes in class, stuff like that, use the web, browse the web, watch YouTube videos, you know, do whatever the fuck you do, then it's a pretty decent laptop. But if you want to game on this shit, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work, bro. Just cut it right there. Yeah, basically that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys inside the next one.